Hello guys, let's take an example. How many ways all letters of the word triangle can be arranged? Now till here you might be thinking that taken all at a time, you will say 4, 5, 8 factorial, something like that. But this is a question with some constraint, which is this: such that all vowels are together. So what does this mean? What are the vowels here in this question? Yes, clearly they are I, A and E. So what this question wants, let's take an example of some permutations like this. R, I, A, E, as you can see they are together, T, G, N. L, R, E, I, A, again I, A and E are together, G, T, N. So can we say that these type of arrangement is what the question is asking for? Yes or no? So yes, that's the meaning of question, that in any arrangement I, A and E must be together. They can themselves be arranged among themselves. From these two examples, can we say yes? Yes, as you can see, I, A, E, E, I, A, and there are other arrangements possible as long as I, A and E, whatever the order is, but they must be together in all the possible arrangement. This is what the question is asking for. So how do we do this? How to find such type of arrangements? The answer is what we call, and what we are going to discuss is this. Yes, binding principle. So what is this and how do we use this to calculate the required permutation? So first of all, where binding is used? So binding is used for certain permutations in which some specific objects or letters are together. We have to bind them. That's why the name binding principle. Okay. So how do we use this? What's the method of binding principle? Let's see now. Put objects to be together or letters to be together. In this case, they are I, A and E. Inside bracket. Now we'll consider this bracket as one object. Then what next? Write other letters beside that bracket. So the remaining ones are R, T, G, N. Okay. So we will write it beside this. This can be written anywhere. Okay. Now considering this bracket as one object and other letters as one object, count number of objects like this. So this is 1, R is considered as one object, one separate letter, T, G, N. So how many total objects we have? So we have 5 such objects in which I, A, E inside the bracket is considered as 1. Okay. The next is find permutation. So we have 5 objects. So we have how many permutations taken all at a time? Yes, 5 factorial. Now what next? Now since objects letters inside the bracket can themselves be arranged among themselves, so this means I, A, E can themselves be arranged among themselves in how many ways? There are 3 letters I, A and E, so they themselves can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So that we will multiply with 5 factorial, which gives us the answer. Okay, that's what we call binding principle. Now let's take another example on this binding. Now in the next example, which is the second part of this, first was all vowels are together. The question was how many ways all letters of the word triangle can be arranged such that this is what we did by binding, all vowels are together. Now part B is all consonants are together. How we will do that? So the second part is all consonants of the word triangle are together. How we will do this? Huh? So yes, again we have to use what? Yes, we have to use binding. So consonants, what are the consonants here? They are T, R, N, G, L. So they must be together. So we'll put a bracket like this. Then we will write the vowels. So it becomes like this. So T, R, N, G, L is considered 1. I, A and E are also 1. Like this. So how many total objects are there? Total objects to be permuted are 4, in which one object TRNGL is considered as 1 inside the bracket. So number of arrangements are, yes, 4 factorial. Now the second step is TRNGL. The consonants, they themselves can be arranged in how many ways? That we need to multiply. So how many consonants are there? Yes, 5. So 5 consonants are there, so we will multiply by 5 factorial, which is the answer. Continuing with the same triangle question, let's see the part C. So the part C is no two vowels of the word triangle, number of arrangement of the letters of the word triangle taking all the letters such that no two vowels of triangle are together. So how do we do this? No two vowels means any two vowels should not be together, and it's obviously it also means that no all the three should also be not together. Okay, it means all the three must be separate. How do we do this? So approach is like this. So number of permutations in which no two vowels are together is equal to total permutations of the word triangle minus number of permutations in which all the three vowels are together. Total minus all three together will give us no two vowels are together. So what is the total permutation of triangle? See, number of letters in the word triangle are 8 and all are distinct. So total permutations of the word triangle taken all at a time is what? Yes, it is 8 factorial. आवाज कम. Well said. Well said. And consonants together. They, you, so they are D, G, H, T, R. So we will arrange these two in how many ways? Yes, 2 factorial ways. Now, among themselves, vowels can also be arranged in how many ways? Yes, in 3 factorial ways. Now, the consonants also can be arranged among themselves in how many ways? Yes, 5 factorial ways. So, 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 factorial is the answer for this.